Chicken McNugget Hicks. You're grounded. Good morning, class. Just to let you know, the fire drill will be happening tomorrow. Oh, not this again. What if I can lower the fire alarm so the noise can stop scaring me? No, that is not how the fire alarms work. You may not gonna lower the volume on the fire alarm because it's illegal to tamper along with the fire alarm. Instead of lowering the volume on the fire alarm, try wearing earphones, earplugs, and something like that. You see? I can replace the classical music of the fire alarm so no one can hear the fire alarm noises because they don't want to be anxious. Neither do I. I will do this in the middle of the night. Very soon at the middle of the night. Remember, the real fire alarm will start in a few minutes. Oh my goodness. Why does the fire alarms keep playing the Mozart music? That is not the fire alarm works. Let's just evacuate the building and stay outside for a week. Holy phosphorus. This classical music fire that is playing on the fire drill that except the real fire alarm noise. The next time we have to change it back to the real fire alarm noise because now that the fire drill is over, we can go back to class inside. It is safe in there. Chick, report to my office right now. Oh, great. Here we go again. Chicken McNugget Hicks. There was a security footage video of you showing You tampered the fire alarms by replacing the classical music by Mozart at the middle of the night. You are not allowed to tamper fire alarms at any building like the shopping mall, the grocery store, and even the school as well. So why would you do that to the fire alarm? Why? I was very anxious about the fire alarm noises and a lot of people covered their ears like, I have to tamper it. So that's why the music is gonna work. So that's what I'm very feared about. I get that, because with the anxious of the noise, tampering is scaring you. But tampering of the fear is not going to work for you. It's not going to resolve your feeling of like that. You know this is very inappropriate by doing this something to you. That's it. You are so expelled for 2 years. Go home right now. Fine. I hate you, mister. Chicken McNugget Hicks. I just got a call from your principal saying that you keep tampering the school fire alarms at the middle of the night. Why would you do that? Why would you change the fire alarm noises into a Mozart music, classical music by Mozart? That's it. You are grounded for 2 weeks, and you will not play Fortnite or go to Jackson Storm's house during that time. Go to bed right now. Fine. Screw you, McQueen. And don't you dare talk like that to me either.